Now this week is none other than Style Week, and in true Saint International style, there are lots of events planned. The first, Posh in Black. Tonight, Ray and Nephew gets a touch of all black as we celebrate Style Week, Posh in Black.
But my collection is a modern, charming, elegant, and sophisticated collection.
When you wrap your body around me, I feel the world is shaking.
I'm loving, and you know, it's not the fashions of the models, you know, it's the fashions of the guests, of the invitees. That is where the real drama is.
I have the man of the hour with me, and he's still a little bit busy, but Dwight, tell me a little bit about Posh and Black. You're back with me now, right?
Yes, I'm back with you. Posh in Black is rocking tonight. Didn't you enjoy yourself?
Of course I did.
No, we did 3 collections. We wanted to keep it small and really succinct and to the point. And it's really about starting Style Week with a bang and showcasing what is in store for Spring Summer 2018, because we're projecting the trends of tomorrow. And I think the designers give good account of themselves.
Posh in Black tonight was a complete success. Stay tuned to see the rest of Style Week events.
I'm looking forward to Fashion Block tomorrow. Can't wait. Up next, Ash hangs on the beach for a rocking concert. Intend soon forward.